In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI to improve your writing. We'll walk through opening Grammarly, getting your document ready, and using the built-in AI to make a paragraph sound more professional. Follow along in your browser, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type. Start by opening Grammarly in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your documents and settings load correctly. Once you're in, look for the Docs area. Click on Docs to enter the workspace where all your writing lives. This is the hub for creating new pieces or refining ones you've already started. Inside Docs, you'll notice a search bar. You can search here to quickly find an existing document by title or keywords, which is especially helpful if you keep multiple drafts. If you're starting fresh or bringing in content from another tool, you have two simple options. You can click on New Doc to create a blank page and paste or type your text, or choose Upload to bring in a file from your computer. Upload is great for longer pieces or when you want to keep original formatting consistent, while New Doc is perfect for quick edits and brainstorming. Once your document appears in the list, click on the doc to open it. Give it a second to load so Grammarly can analyze your text in the background. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the AI chat panel. Click on AI chat to open the assistant. This panel is where you'll ask questions, request rewrites, and get tailored suggestions without leaving your draft. Now, click on Ask AI. In the prompt box, type, "Improve this paragraph to sound more professional." Then press enter. The clearer your prompt, the better the output, and this phrasing tells the AI exactly what tone you want. Grammarly will generate a refined version of your paragraph with more formal wording, tighter phrasing, and consistent style cues. If your paragraph includes specialized terms or a specific audience, you can mention those details in your request to guide the tone, but keep the central instruction the same. As the response appears, read it closely to ensure it matches your intent and retains your key points. You can adjust your original text and run the same prompt again if you want a crisper version. Repeat this process for any paragraph that needs a polish, and you'll quickly build a more professional, consistent draft with far less effort. And that's it, opening Grammarly, navigating Docs, and using Ask AI to elevate your writing in just a few clicks.